In today's video, I'll teach you how to pay Home Depot credit card. So if you want to pay the Home Depot credit card, first of all open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link homedepot.com/mycard. Press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to make the payment for your credit card. If you want to make the payment without signing on, click on this option, make a payment, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, simply follow through the prompt and you'll be able to pay it via the Citibank portal, or you can also sign in to your account. Click on the field of user ID and provide your user ID over here. After you do that, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on this option, forgot user ID or password, and you'll be able to recover them. Now once you log into your account, what you have to do is find the option for make a payment, click on it, follow through the prompts, and you'll be able to pay for your credit card. Or instead of doing that, you can also visit the customer service desk at any Home Depot store. You can typically pay using cash, check, or a debit card. Bring your card or a copy of your statement for faster processing. So these are basically the methods to pay for your Home Depot credit card. So that is how you pay Home Depot credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.